I have some more mini balls that I'm going to open up. These are not the vinyls. These are the Mini Brands Fashion. And hopefully these will lift my spirits after the disappointment of not finding any Britney Spears mini vinyls in the vinyl balls. Man, that was heartbreaking. Like, damn, the only reason I bought those was to try to get the Britney ones, but I guess it is what it is. So, let's hope we find some cute little fashion items in here, which I'm sure we will. My expectations for these aren't anything in particular like the mini vinyls, so these should be a little bit more uplifting. Though they are, like many of the other balls that I have had, quite difficult to open. We're getting there. We have Mr. Freddy over there. Oh man. Open, 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 open. Now I sound like the little weird guys when I go on live. They're like, open, open, open. Like, weird. Okay. I like that noise. It's very, very satisfying. Alright, hold on, hold on. The pops on these ones are nice, but I think the ones on the vinyls, ooh, those were superior. Alright. So, got our long thing. Oh, what? I can get a Miss Yoda cat. May she rest in peace. Oh, we miss Miss Yoda. Oh, look, how cute are these? Get some boots, some bags. Ooh, look at, oh, you get a bunch of shoes too? Okay. This makes me happy. And I love the paper. It's so crunchy, and I would want to chew on it, but I think it's probably some sort of chemicals. You probably shouldn't chew it, but I like it. It feels nice. Look at this cute little bag. So cute. Does it open? It does open. So the little paper in there too. Keep it fresh in the packaging, I guess. Let's see what we got to put in our little tiny bag. So cute. Let's see what's next. Oh my god! This little tiny sneakers. They're not tied or anything. You can tie them. I mean, I'm guessing you can tie them. I don't think I'm going to be tying them completely right now. It seems like my hands are a little clumsy for that. I might have to like find something to hold them down so I can tie them. But yes, it comes with a complete pair of shoes. And what is this in here? Something in the shoe? What is it? Oh my god, this is so cute. It comes with little tiny keys. So you go beep beep, and another pink. Cute, cute, cute. Okay. Let's put the keys in the bag so we don't lose them. Keys in the bag. Shoes, you can stay out of the bag. Just look at those, so cute. They can stay out of the bag because, you know, you don't usually put shoes in your purse. And then, what is this? I think this is a bag charm. It's got a little lemon with a face. How cute is that? Adorable. I'm guessing, oh, it is a bag charm. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Hold on, hold on. Again, my hands are kind of clumsy. Everything about me is kind of clumsy. It's fine. Alright. So, clip it on. Oh my god. Oh no. It came off. Hold on, oh no. This is not working very well, but it's adorable. I don't think I did it right. Maybe I didn't clip it on correctly. Okay, there we go. It's just very, very delicate. That's so cute. Oh, I like that one. This ball made me happy. All right, let me get the wrapping off of the other one because I'm going to open 2 of them and I'll be right back. All right, I'm back with this ball so we can just hear the little pop noise. Hold on. I love it. It's so cool. Okay. Maybe we'll get a little Miss Yoda in this one. Maybe, maybe. So crunchy, so satisfying. I love it. Oh, what are... We got some cute little heels. Look at these. Very summer, very fluorescent. Look at that. And of course, it's a pair of heels because most people have 2 feet. I mean, some people have 1 foot. Some people have no feet, and that's fine too. But most shoes come with 2 of them, so I like that they included 2. That's very cute. And then Mr. Freddy over here sleeping. I think this is like a bracelet or something. With a little mermaid tail and stars. Something of the sort. That's cute. This is little sunglasses. Look at these. Very cute. Obviously not for people, but for just your collection, or probably like Barbies. I'm sure these fit on Barbies. So cute. Love them. Let's see what else we got in here. It's another bag. How cute! It's like a little straw tote with the handle on it. Oh, and it actually detaches. Cute. So you can, presumably if you were small enough, you could wear this as a crossbody or as a little tiny tote. Very, very cute. I like these. Very nice. I am going to be getting more of these so that hopefully I get the little Miss Yoda with the sunglasses, because you all know I loved my cat dearly and I just love animals. But yeah, I really like that they put a black cat in here, because a lot of people don't like make things for black cats because people are superstitious, but really black cats are the least adopted when it comes to animal shelters. So I encourage everyone out there that's considering a little furry cat friend to take an extra look at the black cats, because a lot of people just kind of overlook them because of superstitions or whatever, but really they are wonderful, beautiful companions and they deserve all the love. And I really miss my own black cat, but yeah, love all the black cats, love all the animals, but especially the black cats, because you know they're overlooked and they will provide you with great good luck. So contrary to popular belief, black cats are not bad luck. They are very good luck and they're wonderful. So go get a black cat. Bye. See you later.